Looking to book a hotel through veratravel.co.uk? Follow these straightforward steps. 1. Access the website. Open your preferred browser and navigate to veratravel.co.uk to reach the Vera Travel website. 2. Finding hotels. You can access the hotels either from the home page beside the flights option or in the hotels panel. 3. Searching for a hotel. By clicking on hotels, you will be prompted to search for a hotel. Below the popular hotels section, you can see ratings and reviews. You'll also find the city and country of each hotel listed. If you find your desired place in our default offer, simply click to check the dates and prices. Alternatively, browse below for eye-catching places and offers. If you prefer other locations, you can return to the above options by searching for a hotel by entering the city or hotel name, for example, Paris. You can change your choices later. Select the check-in and check-out dates and add guests to your choice in the hotel. Once done, click Search. 4. Exploring results. Once you've initiated the search on the Vera Travel website, you'll be redirected to the official website of our hotel service provider, Hotelock. Here, you can explore a variety of hotel results and types of rooms available on the dates you selected. Browse through the available rooms that are most suitable based on your budget and preferences. Take your time to explore the prices and guest rating reviews. You may scroll down for other options you may like. 5. Selecting a hotel. You can select Book Now to book your hotel. You will be redirected to the hotel service provider for other features you may like, such as breakfast, free cancellation, bed types, instant confirmation, and more. Browse below for options and offers you would like to book. Sometimes there are map features to check if you are near tourist spots like the Eiffel Tower or your desired destinations. Clicking the map, you can view all the nearby hotels with prices displayed. You can also browse if you need to consider taxes and other fees, and you can filter from low to high or by your preferred selection. 6. Checking availability. Check availability as the next step and review the final information that you need to take care of before making your selection. Then, click Reserve, and you will be prompted for guest information and final confirmation. Congratulations! You've successfully booked your hotel and can now look forward to enjoying your holiday. Before departing, consider checking for any transportation advisories, strikes, cancellations, or road incidents a day before your trip. Also, check the local weather agency and traffic news of your departure country for weather updates before your flights. You can visit atps.gov.uk/foreign-travel advice for further information.